Today I'll be doing a little unboxing and review of the Celestial Silk Pillowcase. So here is how it comes once you take it out of the package. I was gifted this product for editorial consideration, but we'll be giving you my honest review. So, okay, let's see. Oh, I'm excited to feel this. Okay, whoa, that's nice. So that is a nice silk pillowcase there. Very nice feel to it. Okay, it has a zipper. I actually really like that. Another silk pillowcase that I have did not have a zipper, and it was just like, you know, more of a regular pillowcase that you pull up. But I do really like that it has a zipper there, so that's a cool thing to note. Seems like a good size. I like the color. It is nice and smooth, just like a silk pillowcase should be. So yeah, that's what you're getting from Celestial Silks. Cool product. Thank you to the company for sending us this. And yeah, that's a review.